Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. In this video, we show you the some crochet candy can designs collection. Christmas crochet candy can design ideas. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet candy can designs collection. These are all handmade crochet candy can designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet candy can designs collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New ideas crochet design candy can designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.